As you can see, we have a beautifully drawn diagram here. What we're going to do is read the question. This is a pie chart which shows how popular different chocolate is. 500 children were asked. There's our 500, that's important. How many children preferred milk chocolate? There's our milk chocolate. First thing we have to do is find out what percent like the milk chocolate best. So add these up. We've got 25 plus the 20% for this one, plus the 10% for that one. Just check that I've written those down right. Yep, because it's the silly mistakes that will cost things. 2, 4, 5. So that's 55% that account for this lot. And therefore that's 45% which will account for this. Watch out very carefully for that. A lot of children have problems. They're doing it in their head. So if you're regularly making mistakes on that, don't be ashamed to do a proper takeaway, because you'll at least get it right. Do you want me to go over that one? I don't think you do. So this is 45%. And one of the answers in a multiple choice will be 45%. And children will go, got that. And they'll see other children still working on it and think, look at them, they're still working on it. It's 45%. Now, 45% is said how many children, not what percentage of the children like milk. How many children? 45% of a child is sort of more or less just half, isn't it? Now, it's not often you see a half of a body of a child wandering around saying, well, I prefer milk chocolate myself. So watch out for that. We're after whole children, not body parts. So the golden rule is first find 1. If 1%, if all of the children are 500, 1% therefore equals 5 children. But we want 45%. So if 1% equals 5, 45% equals 45 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 4 times 5 is 20, and 2 is 2. So the answer is 225 children. Now let's just have a quick common sense check. 45% is a bit less than half. 225 children is a bit less than half of 500. So that sounds right to me.